Look at this delicious mochi. So good. Hello, it's Sarah and Mom back again. Today we'll be making mochi. It's basically a Chinese version of mochi, and it's very simple. Microwave mochi, done in only a few minutes. So the first thing we're gonna do is we've got glutinous rice flour, about 1 cup, and we're gonna add to it just a bit of salt. And we're gonna add in about half a teaspoon of oil. Just gonna mix it around first. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of water. We're gonna make a lot because I can eat a lot.
You're hungry, didn't you?
Hungry. Best snack ever. Yummy, you can eat it anywhere. But warning, contains peanuts and sesame seeds. It's sort of a sugary sweet dessert. We're gonna make sure our mochi has no lumps. Now off to the microwave. If you don't have a microwave, although most people do, you can steam it. It'll just take a little bit longer, but still very quick. And I cannot wait to eat this. Let's go. Here we go into the microwave for how long? 2 minutes. Let's watch. She is ready, but it is hot, so we're gonna go. Whoop. Here's my good little mochi. Look at that. We had to put it in an extra bit longer because our bowl is a bit, well, small, so it's a bit thick. Dinner plate would be better, but I just want to eat this.
Okay, you can mix now with what? Remember?
Sesame seeds? Well, roasted sesame seeds, roasted peanuts, and raw sugar. We're back again after letting the mochi cool for a little, about 10 minutes. We're gonna scoop it up, put it on a tray, and toss all these goodies in. Just gonna cut it roughly, just like into chunks. Chew one little part, otherwise you get like one big chunk and you go yum yum yum. Now we're going to add in some roasted peanuts, as much as you like. I like a lot. You can if you prefer to have it more fine, you can fine it up, crush it more, but I like the texture. Now already roasted sesame seeds. Make sure all these things are already roasted. Roast it yourself, tastes better. Sugar! Mix it. This is very chunky.
Smell good.
Of course you can keep like a jar of peanuts if you need them handy. That way you can make this whenever you'd like. All the peanuts. I think we need more. Better crush some more. And we're gonna add in more sesame seeds.
Yes.
Oopsies. Just a little bit more sugar.
Yeah. Because it's dessert anyway. We need sugar.
We need a lot of sugar. You eat a lot of sugar in your candy anyway. Messy, it's homemade, but it's good. Let me try.
Oh my gosh.
The best.
Good. Very good.
So good. Texture is so gooey and sticky. I love it. Look at this delicious mochi. So good. Sugary with a tap of saltiness. Perfect combination. Anytime, anywhere, any day. Mine.
No way, share.
So squishy, so bouncy. delicious, so quick and easy. Worth the wait. See you next time on another cooking adventure. Yummy!